Oh, cái mạng Zomi đi về thấu trong thiểm tổ lâu hi maybe around 30,000 in Mizoram. Chú mi te ai ở chân chỉ bảy cái bộ cái chú. Amat sabihin ka poi khop maya pu ginzala la kan MLA hova local tour kan niya. Ama ero chu assembly session laklo ani. Adot le flight cancel wangin tikhan kan buai ta a train pay chun lo la theng lo nin ka sia. Chu wang chuanin Mizoram lam kha kan chiang kwang talova apoi ti khop apoi ka ti khop mai nimina kai ma kai soi to a kapa chu kapu chu chaltlang khuwa thirdeng ani tivel ka soi to kha khampaw ani tivel ka soi to kha du tok ta ila min soma kalom a spring revolution ma in khotin siam le salai lian luaite nen kan in koma ka interviewa chumizoa Reverend Dokham Aizal Klapa ka rei tak kan ti Chief Minister mo dua atnuwa nikuma Maryland Indiana le Indiana mizo de chief guest kania chumi ma chuan Dr. Sasanen kan in muboka chung zong ka ngai to le chuan during those maybe 15 years what we had said is about in Pumkhatna. That is the exact topic we have today. Chu wang chon kalom a voina hian in zawai chunga lom thu ka soi thar le ani. If we divide, we are going to perish. If we unite, we are going to survive. Voi eng tia reinge divide and rule policy mang hian hen nam himin trender to. Chu wang chon voi ni kan in unite hun turan ito. Imol to lawang u ti hini. Mizoram lama changa thu kan ron ken ve chu. Eng poni say, you know that I have to say some of my speech in English, and Andrew asked me media to present about media, fake news, disinformation, misinformation in social media, especially about Myanmar Spring Revolution. This one masaber at one can overview kanita se slide masaber ko ngayon. Oh, ni February sang nila som ni pakata ain chana Kovela uprising nasa berpola ni Southeast Asia page 1 tilmakle danglam to civil servants mizo India ram chongchon 4 lakhs kantia karindanin 400,000 civil servants in and join uprising hi Kovela ngailo. That is what you had experienced. This one resistance ka 300 plus towns, not villages, in towns. Adot le PDF kan mi nuai khat mizo chongin voile khata amakani hetiang hi resistance hian ngai lovanti. Next slide. Amaero chu insia mi makta duai tel min affecta ani. Why are we here? Why are we here in Malaysia? Engzat nge ngai tuaro chung zong more than 3 millions. Mo tu na hen displaced kan lo ni ta ani chu apoy mani kuate entire towns burned ani bomalotla mi tamtak kan thi chu kan din munani adot le kan topic ka media under suppression ani ka adot le next slide please. Media ani ka chuta first target to journalist ani tichuan mi zale somsari 170 plus had been arrested. Tichuan independent outlets kan soitak zong ki Mizima DVB what not tuna chon an underground alo ngai ta tichuan internet blackout ania til tam tak limit nein til kan lo ngai thata chu they are taking an advantage of that propaganda and censorship junta kan lo ti thin kha ngeni junta ho khan ku kan ti kha enge power transfer antitani moi takin engkim khan police achunga mi kan muthei to silova especially from Mizoram and other areas chu abuai tlak tani tichuan engpo a film siamila a video siamila punishment ka anasa kan report ngambok silova. At the same time, global media can focus on Ukraine, Gaza, Afghanistan. So Myanmar receives minimal coverage. Myanmar hi shetuan claim tani. That is the problem we have. This one number 5 please slide. This one global media puika silence alone ita chuchu conflict dang ina ti boy boxia ingwangin kan ti chuan Myanmar hi NATO country lo ni boxi lova not a major oil supplier ani boxia chu Europe velina an ngai poimo khani mai ta dot le chuanin not central to global security concern antia a omzia chu Chin hilo independence se lo se engpo thleng se chu ti takin European an ngai poi mo lo. That is the problem we have there. Adot le chuan foreign access a boy thak an lut ngam box silova a complicated a complex ani. Mizoram tan po soi ka du chu. These and these are united kantia, but at the same time the very next day they are shooting each other. Chu a boy thak tani report har as a journalist also. Things are becoming so complicated. That is one of the reasons. Journalists tana boy thak. Adot le chuan China's and India's influence. The next, that one. Diplomatic shield at the China hian. This one, anmani internal matter ni siat ve angai lo ve midang tan. Let them solve their internal matters at the Mase amma ka enroll siya. In Sheveka, enge ay interest seaport, oil and gas trade route. Omjetu government control dua, border control dua. No matter who wins, Chin hit accept it chuang lo. Tupo accept it lo. China interest to economy ni man. Dot let's one India. India is a film kur wait and watch ni in country. And not only that, India is in a dilemma because KMTTP he tat madonena an agreement ni. Country jeng turchu mase a physical omna mun kha ngai tu ta ula Chin arakan area ani boxia India kha aboy thak atan khan adot le democracy ram lian perani khovelin India chu democracy raminia chu wangin democracy promote che anti boxi chulai a chon aboy ni in country not is aboy thak ta in Sheveka Mizoram Manipur Tlangmi Naga Chin Unaw kan ya wangin India hi a film kur Unaw vek kan ni boxia dot le kan boy na chu crime manitani smuggling chungchanga Mizoram kan minister tele mitam takin heta thu ka soidona min cha chu khongai takin ron soiro minti a thei sham chuan Mizoram drug smuggling ti mela drugs trade ti top turin thei top ni chang rualang u chumi tan chon ka som cheu adot le a hemi awang hian Zomi hi kan ming chia chu wangin kan ming chia na ti re tur chuan heta hian thei top chu chang rual turin ka som cheu dot le chu border issues chungchanga India hi abuai free movement regime country border fencing country border trade country heng song hian India wants to do something but waiting and watching it seems chu thilom ziani enge nga chu kan traffic enge mon ni hi athleng don Myanmar hian ti asia shevek to mase engtin nge thlen don ala chi aboxi lo chu wangin we are waiting for the next step it seems chu country at kaduan ti datot lesson politics sa NCSN and oma ulfan oma Manipur la buaina tamtak India ram chunga problem an siama Myanmar chunga no man's land an let le kami velawang khan intelligence group ina an soi chu India tan hena boy thlakati tin Chin hi buffer zone ta na man tum mai thei antiboka achu balam chu ka se thuilo ka soi tum chu media ani kha ti chuan next slide media as lifeline kami ma khani karing media as lifeline number 7 ania poi chuang love ka soi du chu he uprising awang hian especially youth thalai rual tlang mi te phai mi te mitam takan lo unite ta ama thu khat vongai lo mi pakhat ningai lo kha mi pakhat an lo ni pha ta hei hirem changa imang thia mang u adot le chu rise of citizen journalist ani country at angkhan citizen tam tak journalist tam takin an tho thei tak lo wangin kan vai hian citizen journalist kan lo ni ta ni kan theina la ya pianga chu wang chuan kan trananga ya thudik kan soya ngai boka adang le chuan social media spreads chu ta chuanin Chin poni chuang lo Myanmar pum puya sipai sarkari na poyan khoi hi mizo tong chuan swal sipai kan tia chumi sarkari na poyan khoi chu atam thai ang berfel taka kan record ngai kan document ngai chumi tan chon kan vain mo kan phur adot le chon diaspora zong atam zo ki kan nin karinga Malaysia USA mo klan dar ta te hi hemite zong hian mo kan phur na sabik achan chu Myanmar chunga chuan engma ti thein nei lo keini hi an ai o kan nia kan chang turani chumiatan chon keimani theina la ya pianga lobby nga te engpo ni ro se chumiatan chon pathian in mo phurna min pe ni engwangin nge heta hen kan om thei kan unaw tam tak ten heta om hian duasin US citizen ni pon chak vesin ma se an thei lovani nangini theya chuti ni chon mo phurnai nei pathian in a big takin arwat che ti hi pom turin ka du che dot le chuan responsibilities of the diaspora oh heta hian ama asoi ka du chu India le Mizoram free move India hian Mizorama Raltlante tan free movement siama free access siama shelter siama food medical treatment employment education ingai tu ang uhe hi India chat zia hi condemn turani lo tuna khan Aizol hospital pathum pali ka tloa then khat chu kan unaw te Raltlan silai mu tuarte mitam takan ni man theyan ni ma se India chuanin mai mi ching engma mulo theyani chu wangin lomna changi ria ang u alom om kati adot le chuan Mizoram state hi one of the poorest states in the whole of India kan traffic chu ti chung chuan kan ration bu fight kan healthcare kan engkim a maximum in kan in share tu na hian chu wangin Zomi unaw te hi lom tu soi tur kan ni vein kria Mizoram ne na hian chu wang chuan churil ru chu kan put angai chu ti rol chuan Mizoram Mizo te hi kan thalo narrow mindedness so many things are there chung zong zong a chon min the thiam turin kan du cheu there will be some kind of awareness very soon chu katiam ngam chewin ka ria dot le chuan journalism hi profession zirngai ni ya kadam chung hun tam zok hi media tan ka manga kan zir thina ni we are professionals but the time has come social media mitin hi broadcaster kan ni theita producer kan lo ni theita that is the main problem now ti chuan freelancer vik kan lo ni ta chuan buai thak ta ni kangen du che uchu thalai engem zatin localin karinga youth group the YouTubers those who are making reels in IG or whatever I don't know kangen du na cheu thil reng a viral mine you'll have to confirm it first confirm it that is what we all have to do adot let you AI material, synthetic material. Now we know that the military government are using these things. Your face, your voice. So let us be very, very careful on that. I don't let you always control your emotions. And tinan, ihlaw may thaya, itinarim may thaya, ibeyadong may thaya. You may have so many very high hopes. Well, you have these emotions. Take care. Till itype te, ito soy te film kurang che. Achan chu emotions nen thil kan so yen even myself also kan lo war lu tuk pal thei hlau chung te in chu wangin control yourself adot let you protect sensitive information ingai dana dikhi I then om te tana dik lo mai thei chu kan thiamin ka ring neighbors what I'm talking about neighbors is a very wide aspect what is correct for you may not be good to your neighbors mase tuna po hian live stream taila khovelin shedon advantage becomes disadvantage chu wang chuan kangen du cheu chu film khurang cheu ingai dana dikhi midang tan poi the dot le chu lelam polin your opponents an mani advantage an mang thei ke mani video clip tho hi an mani advantage an mang thei chu wangin I produce ma in iti chu ma in film khurang che adang le chu never live stream this kind of closed door meetings. Never. Oh, kangen tak cheu engkim in filter ranga heta tranga kan resolution chin chia hi life puangang u. Heta voitam tak kan in nial mai thei. One may say the other thing, one may say the other thing. Never live stream and a conference like this. I don't let you always try to maintain the journalist decorum like when, what, how, and the impact, and the care your comments. Nimin mai kan le yamin. What is nimin mai? Mo, hey, an anasali alu tukani an inkapani. Where is the place? Kang kat sian nga tun lai chuan documents akan man don chuan your voice. Khoi muna nge atlen, eng tika nge atlen, eng tin nge atlen. What is the impact? Chumi nen chuan ti tumang cheu. Adot le chuan media outlets tra reng chu I support ang u. Chen khat chu an huai ania in ka lai ten video an tlan lo la an comments a tlangwal huai sen an omani chumi te chu how mai e ti reng su let us support engeni tlangwal tlom ngai huai sen kan ai o aral do ve thawan ni mo kan cell phone hi kan silai ani these days chu wang chuan khatiang mi te kha support ang u mi huai sen mi tai ma mi in pe we have to give them shelter also I hum hi mang u adot le chuan let us share accurate stories thu dik chu thatakin serang u thu dik lo chu achwa ma in let us filter content dik lo chu I filter ang u content dik chu I spread ang u chu lo le chu kan du chu intelligence group pakhat omse chu mi de chuan media content local zong hi low study ro se ti chuak tu ma saberni hitum ngai su atul lo chu I chuan let it be filtered first and only after that let it spread intelligence group WhatsApp group whatever I don't know omse chu mi de chuan content kalo check ro se this is good let it go this should never go out kan kalo ti ro se we need somebody or some forum to do things like that dot let you authenticity hi apoi mo don all the contents we have now we had accumulated now are going to be an evidence of witness later on. I have seen the Holocaust Museum. The same thing we need, those photographs, everything. But it should be well documented, categorized. To do that, we need something. We need an expert. And tinan in kape mo bomatla engtika mo koi kuange hey takhi engma kan shriat silo chuan if we don't have that kind of supporting documents we will aboy thak adot le chu enga nge Google Drive mo kan share kan da khom lo fully categorizing ti chuan mun tin atranginan lo share thayang ti chuan kan trang rualang engtika emo kan mo donin ka setlat chumi tan chon ho I trang rualang utin ka som cheu ani adot le chuan Zomi also we have two local dialects hey he kan intender naman ruwa turani lo kan in sui khom na turani to make us broader lianzo kam in siam tu chumi tan chon kan media person ten hey hi imang thiamang u dot le chuan always try to be positive entinan thil kan ti na zong zonga kan media person ten thil dik lo so yanuam it's very easy to say and it's every easy to criticize somebody but whenever you do these things make solutions mo heti zok hian ti ni se heti hian a traang kha omro se chumi a omlo chuan criticism ringot chu engma abua a omlo adot lea mi puita na she mo chu wang chuan a solution the brighter solution chumi I hriat lo chuan engma hi broadcast hei hi thazok ti hi min ko mu tur I nei lo chuan chu ka ngen du che le unity through media adang omje chu media hi for brotherhood not for division media hian min trendar su se media hian min sui khom ro se this is our AK-47 this is our rifle this is our gun media is becoming kan vain kan nei vek amana tlom boxi chu wangson enga nge hei hi man ruwa kan man lo adot le chuan midang success hi celebrate ang ani bai thaya antinan kachin kareni chin whoever an lo tlin chuan let us clap our hands kan thiamem chuti chuan le lampol khan hlom khat angin min huang chumi ni lova pakhat le pakhat khan ti chuan again division min trender le don this is the high time ahun lutu kanituni kan in celebrate ton adot le chuan reject divisive narratives in trender na thulam chi reng chu let us reject in the first place chu poi mo ni pathian thu tang pon dikin ka ria unau indo in kap chumi leta angai no mai thei subscriber nga pha mai thei ma je iram ta na poi iram hi number 1 ani chu wangin ka ngen du che an in kap ani pon engemo a omani point forget it chu ai chuan unity zel kai porang chumi tan jon ka ngen du che adot le chu we have to make a kind of a shared platform kami zong tenen khan wider picture hi ngai tu aro how many klangmis are there kami tenen na inzom khom na thil kha khatiang forum engemo kan nei atul adot le chuan careful about your language the language aza angai amoy angai ko san trong kam te hi amoy why don't we use those language asan chu bit we are living engani pacifically atlantic ralle lama kan oma heta itrong mai maya heta mi na lo ngai tha apoi lutu trong kam za trong kam moi among our Mizo brothers also I used to say these things khoya po trong kam za trong kam moi imangang adot le chu respect diversity kanin ang tak don lo Koyamo, we have our own distinct culture traditions. Whenever we say unity, we cannot unite in all of that aspects. So wangin enge mo kan diversity hichu we have to accept. Chu country atel ring ngai afel mase zomi tong athiam lo min ti big su. Min accept ro mo khatiang chia khan kami kanin accept ton lo chuan kan lian thei lo. Tun hi len kan momo hunani. Dot le chu idu ang chin state a hen enge thlengang ti fel hi a picture ziak thin ro. We are about to construct a very beautiful house. You are the architect. Why don't you try to build that house? Imaginary house, very beautiful, bright. I don't know how to say. In real ro omreng ro se chumi in a omlo chuan in beidongang. Mo that hope ka be se na ka bosu se always be positive. Adang le chu media kan soya wangin artificial intelligence YouTube channel lui tak kanaya ka manghian mizo trong ka hey large language model ka an siama ka khachu a transcribe theito mizo trong in dik takin tichuan now we need around 500,000 connections for that AI to active masetuna 50,000 vel chau kan laneya within this year kan peyang. That Mizo language is going to be mother of all the languages around here. So that if chuchu kan pe chuan Zomi trong dang zong po all some in kan ti thei don in country chuchu ni kuma ka US visitor ka lot lin na nia chu wangin kan lom ti chuan aro puilai chu kan trong hi kan survive don athi don mia lo hlau su technology hian ati lum don lo ati nung jok don. I'm very very hopeful on that. Chuan ka zo atop na ber chu Indona reng chuan first casualty chu truth ani. Tu dikhi athima saberzia. Enge kan sipai unaw ten an soi unaw may not be the right word anyway. Tat madoin engen soi dot upon dot layers and layers of dot ani. Chutiang kovel kan omawang chuan film khurangai. Keiniero chu pathian nam thlan kan ni. I need to proudly say that pathian nam thlan kan ni. Chu wangin thu dik le thu tak mangin kanding chuakang. Chu ipom nga mang let us accept that. Thu tak mangin kanding chuakang. Chu wangin engtik lai point thu tak le thu dik hi ihum hi mang u. The revolution depends upon that truth. Chu kasoi du ani kalome.